These are the previous 8 months results that was drawn on the starting of the month 4th June 2022, then July, August, September, October, November, December, and this is the 1st January 2023, and now we are going to play the first draw of the month, drawing on 4th February 2023. If you look at carefully, they are picking the maximum numbers from 1 to 24 in first draw, 6 to 19. You can see all 5 numbers from 1 to 24. Then second, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers came. In third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 numbers from 1 to 24. In fourth draw, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 numbers came from 1 to 24. In third, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers came from 1 to 24. In next, 7 and 2. Only this draw, the 3 numbers came from 30 to 49, 34, 42 and 44. Again 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers came from 1 to 24. In previous result 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 numbers came from 1 to 24. According to this chart, we can say that the maximum number should come. Maximum numbers between 1 to 24. You should select your maximum numbers, 3 or 4 numbers between 1 to 24. Favorite series starting of the month from 10 to 19. You can see 4 numbers from 10 to 19, then 2 numbers from 10 to 19, again 2 numbers, 2 numbers, 2 numbers, 1 number, 2 numbers, and again 2 numbers. So you should select minimum 2 numbers from 10 to 19. 2 numbers. And you should must select from 1 or 2 numbers from 1 to 9. You can see 6, 1, 8, 7, 8, 2, 8, 5, 7, again 5, and then 2 number. The series has less chances for this draw. You can see 21, 24, and 23 numbers only came in 8 draws from 20, 29, and 34, 35, again 34. The weak, less chance, less series from 20 to 39. The numbers has less chances to come between 20 to 39 according to this chart. I have 16 powerful numbers for this draw. Any number you can like, you can pick for your selection. From 1 to 9, friends, I have 4 numbers, 3, 5, 7 and 8. From 10 to 19, I have also 4 numbers, 12, 13, 15 and 16. From 20 to 9, I have 3 numbers, 21, 25 and 27. From 30 to 39, I have 2 numbers, 34 and 36. Last from 40 to 49, 3 numbers, 42, 43 and 47. Friends, according to my research, the maximum number should come from these numbers. If you want to play the repeated number from previous result is 10, 14, 17, 24 and 33. It is the previous result of Mahzooz. If you want to play repeated number from here, then again the 17 number has chances. This number can repeat. If you want to play from previous result, then this number has good chances to come. In last, you should select your maximum numbers, 3 numbers in odd, and 2 numbers in even. Okay friends, this is my overall prediction for the upcoming draw, which is drawing on 4th February 2023. If you want, I make the numbers for you. You can also get the membership from me. I contact number in my previous video. You can also see and also contact for the membership. In the end, good luck to all and goodbye.